Hi everyone, this is Rowan Tim playing Gearland. And you should try this game by yourself because it's extremely goodly made. Cause look at it, look at all the buildings. So basically, this is kind of like, but like they have guns, and then like there's different ways and they get stronger. And then you got like a certain amount of time bosses, and you can unlock new ones, and it's really fun. It's in beta though, so if there's any like bugs, it's because it's in beta. And also, I got a new mic. I mean, a new headset anyway, because the last one I had was working. It's kind of sad. But you should really try this game by yourself. And the maps are extremely good to made, and there's a bunch. This is one of them, but this is like, I'm not really sure how to explain this one, but this one is one of my favorite maps. Just look at the amount of detail these people added on this map. I've never seen a Roblox game like this. It's insanely goodly made. See, when you start off, there's usually shotgun ones, and then there's like long range ones. This is your starter gun, but you can also like upgrade the actually bullets, and you can get a whole bunch. And see, this is one of my other guns. See, it's in the chest. You can see like what you can get from it. See over here, you see the weapons I have. I have all these. This gun. I can do that right now before the other round starts. There we go. Now I can test out this other weapon. Ah, it's like a shotgun. That's good. Except it will get better if I upgrade it. Otherwise, this gun right here is so OP. Because I spend so much time on this gun. I got everything to the max. Awesome. You can get like points. And but when you die, usually like games like Zombie Rush, when you die, that's it. And then you just wait until the next round. But this one you can still play. Though, because I'll show you. I'm just gonna reset. And by the way, you do actually get back into the wave on the next wave. But when that does happen, this is gonna take. Wait, was that quiet? I really hope it was. My mic was kind of far away. Oh no. I think the game just glitched. No, I wasn't kidding about it. Was all. Well. Okay, back. I just need to join another round. Oh, and now I can actually show you what happens when you die in a wave. I don't think the wave has started yet. Well, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I know now. See, on every map, see there's so much good maps. Like, look at this detail. Farm, there's like the highest wave. People like, oh, this is probably the... Wow, it's really hard to beat. So players, Foxbin. Well, that's the person that made it. Foxbin. So, cool. Let's see even like the top amount of waves. Let's see if you can beat that. I'm guessing all the players had really good stuff. So why won't it let me go? I think this is glitched too. I mean, it is in beta, so. I hope this one isn't. Oh wait, this is the same server. Well, maybe a huge cloud. Glitched. Yeah, I had to rejoin a few times. Guess I joined a perfect time. See, this is one. I don't know, but I think this is the biggest map in the game. Just look at the detail. This is probably the one they worked on the most. But the bosses have loads of health. But this weapon is so OP because you can make pretty much every weapon turn to a sniper if you want to. See, this is one of the bosses. It has a rocket launcher, except it's Yeah, that much health though. It did. See, there's like minigun dudes. The only problem, they should add some more characters. I mean, enemies though, because otherwise they just have. Actually, yes, they have. Has different characters. I mean, bosses and it's different. Dudes, every wave to get have more health. So these things have like wave 15. It's ridiculous. And it gets super hard. I'm gonna try out. It's like a rainbow. Oh, this thing's kind of cool. See, I got 2 points with it, so I can make it better. So watch what I'm fixing to do. Now, it's gonna shoot him faster. This weapon seems to be pretty good. Except, I think that other weapon I had might have. I'm gonna equip that one though. I know it's a headshot. This weapon is like fully maxed out. On like the second round, you can pretty much headshot insta kill one of them. Ugh. See, that one right there doesn't have a weapon, but it blows up. So you gotta kill that one quick. Ugh. Oh no, minigun dude. I have heard before. See, that's what it looks like when you die and you go back into a wave. You're like invisible and your weapon doesn't damage, but you can still help out. Just don't do as much damage. And then the next round you'll be back to normal. That's what happens. That's a really good idea. Instead of you just being in the lobby, making you free can still play, but yeah. But if everybody's like that, it doesn't count as like everybody still being alive. It's when game over happens, when everybody dies. Even if it was. Never mind. Boom! Why wasn't that an instant kill? That did so much damage. I'm gonna climb on one of the buildings. See how far my gun can shoot. Ugh. Oh. Let's see if I can. Nope. Ah. Jetpack. See, I think there's a gun dude, and there's like somebody that has this, and then there's like a rifle dude, and then there's a minigun dude, and then there's a jetpack dude. I think that's all like the little enemies, different maps too. And then they when it's like a really high, different and are stronger. Oh no. Whoa, I'm almost dead. I'm gonna use this weapon to try to get it level up, because this weapon is very powerful. Why do I keep seeing that? Nope, I don't want to blow up. No! Almost just blowed up. And also, the equipped weapon's like really fast. It's so easy. You can equip your weapon really fast, because you just press Q for your first weapon, you press E. So I can switch super fast. Look how long the name is of this gun. Pew 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 pew. That's epic in the game. If my music, you would just hear pew 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 pew. Oh no, I died. The mini powerful. That's why you wanna try the headshot them, so you can kill them quicker. Just I'm just kind of lucky that that round was about to end when I died. So I'm back. I think I maxed out this gun. I got maxed out stats and level for the gun. I need to use a different weapon. Once I get this one to max, or be even better than this one. This is actually the beginner weapon. Wave 20! There's a boss now. There's two. Look, there's one in the building. Headshot. I almost just forgot I was recording. How did I almost forget? Gotta be careful, because this thing, when it does hit you, it just loads it. It does as much damage as when they hit you. Oh no, dude. Ah! Yes, he's dead. But wasn't there two? Where's the other one? I guess somebody else might have killed him. I don't know. But anyways, that's for end this video. I just wanted to show. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. You probably don't care because nobody watches my channel. I'm lonely. Well, make sure to subscribe and like and bye.